Hi everyone, welcome to Diana's Table. Today is the last of the series on Korean style salad dressing, and I'm going to be making, of course, fish sauce based salad dressing with chicken. Unfortunately, today is also going to be the last time that we're going to be shooting our YouTube videos from this home. I'm moving to my mother-in-law's house this week, and next time you see us, we'll be in a new location and new studio. I look forward to seeing you in a new environment. And also in the meantime, if you have any questions or if you want to see any new recipes or you have wondering about some of the things Korean style cooking, please send me a message. I'm open to your suggestions and your comments. So let's get started. We're going to make the fish sauce-based salad dressing. Of course, you need 2 spoonfuls of fish sauce. And first put in an equal amount of sugar. Before you add other ingredients, mix the sugar and make sure that it melts, dissolves into the fish sauce. Well, this will add to the kick and provide the necessary spicy kick to the sauce. It's about a tablespoonful of the chili peppers. And then I'm going to add a tablespoonful of lime juice. Already smells really delicious. So I'm going to set it aside while I prepare the vegetables. I have 3 leaves of cabbage. I'm going to slice it very thinly. It's important to slice it thinly so that the sauce can cover evenly. I'm going to slice the red onions, and just to make sure that we get nice thin slices, I take the middle part out. I think this should be enough. Then I'm going to add a little bit of carrot. And do you remember my little gadget here? We'll use it because I really like it. It's very convenient. So look at this. I don't have to use a lot of effort. And to this, I'm going to use, this is already pre-cooked chicken breast. And it's got a black pepper, and they sell it as is. It comes pre-packaged. It's really nice and tender. You can use any kind of leftover, whole roasted chicken, but chicken breast is really good. You just hand tear it into little pieces. Again, this is a very healthy salad, and for those of you who are on a diet or exercising, this is perfect. It has really good balanced nutrition and helps with your fulfill when you eat this, and yet not very high in calories. So now all the ingredients for the salad is ready, and I'm going to pour the sauce over it. And of course, you can mix it. Already smells good. So after you toss it for a while, and we can transfer to a serving plate. So here's my take on a Chinese chicken salad. I hope you'll enjoy it, and hope to see you soon at our new home.